Good day, and thanks for joining us here at the charts. You are tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking, of course. Really quick video, hopefully, guys, it's quick. We got a request from one of our new fellow compadres. Welcome in, leave a comment so that I can pin your comment. This is a request. We're going to take a look at GOEV. I found something pretty interesting that you guys might want to take a look at. And if you're just joining us, welcome in. Let me know in the comment section that you just subscribed so that I can personally welcome you into the charts. Leave an appropriate thumb. Guys, this really helps the channel. The engagement really picks up from the YouTube algorithm, guys. It promotes the channel, the video, so we appreciate all of you guys. 2 thumbs up for you, our loyal subscribers. Welcome back. Let's not waste time, guys. Let's go ahead and dive right into this chart here, shall we? All right, so today's January the 3rd, 2021, and the previous close of GOEV is going to be $13.80. It's down about 3.6% for the day. Okay. All right, guys, I want to show you a really quick pattern. Remember, guys, when we locate patterns, it's always considered the consolidation range before the breakout. So let me just go ahead and reveal that to you guys right here, right now. That's it. Really simple. Okay. This is a projection cone, okay? I located this here, and if we just kind of zoom in here, and I know some are saying, some people do say, like, I stretch the truth, guys, but it's pretty clear, guys. You can see, like, the projection cone, the wick down there, the wick there. I mean, it's a very clean setup, guys. I cannot make this stuff up, okay? And I'm actually going to show you, this is the breakout represented on this green candle here. So I'll zoom in just so you guys can take a closer look. We have critics on us pretty close here, guys, so I want to make sure that I'm being as accurate and detailed as I possibly can. Excuse me. Now, this projection cone has been consolidating within this pattern for, I think it was 1,121 days. Let's go ahead and measure that, including the breakout. Yep. Well, not 1,100, 1,211 days. So 1,211 days the consolidation took place between the years of July, what is that, July or February 2017. These are the weekly candles, by the way. And it's just been consolidating within this area here. For those who are just don't know about patterns, it's just, we just found the projection cone. It's just been bouncing around up in this range. And again, this is just the buyers and the sellers just kind of having at it, but mostly the buyers consolidating for the initial breakout, okay, for the official breakout, okay. So again, that is going to be identified here on this green candle. Let's go ahead and get in, zoom in here so you guys see that. So you can see the initial breakout, there was a candle to successfully break above the projection cone right about here on November the 23rd, 2020, right here. Now notice that very week thereafter, I mean, it was, wow, look at this candle, guys. You see this? This is actually a bearish candle. Right, the week thereafter, this is the candle to say, okay, if you have weak hands, you're not going on this wide and just bam, just up and down. I mean, really volatile for that week. And I'm probably sure a lot of people got shaken out of the market before that vicious move, that rip to the upside. And I know you guys, let me just go ahead and see if I can measure how high the price reached after that breakout. Let's see, it's reached a total of approximately 78%. I'll actually measure the wick on the following weekly candle as well, just to see if we can get a total move to the upside. So a 98%. Excuse me, 98%. So this is important because I'm not pretty sure, but I think it's probably practical to assume that whoever invested in or sent the request, maybe they invested in this area here about $20. Let me know down in the comment section. Hopefully I'm wrong about that. But typically, the average person buys into markets when the price is having an extreme move to the upside. Okay. Again, that's just my opinion. I don't get opinionated here, but let me just get to the technicals and I'll let you guys know where I see the price potentially reaching next. Okay. Have an open mind with me here, guys. This is not guaranteed or financial advice. Please seek an advisor or a professional if you need information as far as whether or not you should sell or buy into an asset. So the line that I just put on the screen there, if you can see that, it's going to be at $11.20. Okay, that is it's the most practical area where I was able to locate an area of resistance, guys. Okay, remember, I'm a technical guy. I do not pay attention to the news, guys. Hopefully you can appreciate that. So when I give you levels, guys, you can rest assured that I've done extensive research, and it's more likely than not these levels have some sort of whether it's significant or not, they do have a interesting level when they do eventually reach those levels. So I bring this level up because if the price eventually makes it down to $11.20, I think that the buyers are probably going, I've actually seen this setup before, guys. I think the buyers are probably going to step into the market, okay? And what they're going to do is try to make a second round, make a second trip to, maybe consolidate it a little bit and just rip to the upside. Now, I think what's going to happen at that point is probably the sellers are probably going to step in again, and the price is probably going to make a lower high. So what does that mean? This is like a pure guess, guys. Like, this is not even a practical level that I'm going to say. I'm just really going to take like a wild guess here. So if the price does come down and it bounces off that $11.20 level, let's just say it goes up and makes a lower high just below $20, okay? From the current level, that's going to be probably like almost 100% move to the upside. So again, $11.20 all the way up just below $20. It is about a 70% move to the upside. I don't know how long that would take. Again, guys, I'm just giving you this practical level down here at about $11.20. This would be the only level that I would be paying attention to potentially see some sort of bounce in the price here at some point in the future. This stock, it appears to be that there's a lot of selling pressure in this stock. And I truly think that if you didn't get in the consolidation range down here that we've already identified between 2017 up to present year, that's about a 3-year bullish consolidation range. If you weren't successful in getting in this area and selling when the price actually had this extreme move to the upside, then I think you're probably going to be holding on to some instruments that might not be as where you want them to be. You're probably going to be down in your investment, guys, if you bought in at the $20 level. And again, just my opinion, okay? Let's close this out here, guys. Really short video. There's just one level for me, really simple. $11.20. If the price bounces from there, that's just I'm not able to see that technical data here in front of me. That's the only level. I mean, let's just put one more level out, just potentially as an area where it could find some support. This will be the only level. This will honestly, this will be just like a random number. My identified level, according to my thesis and my extensive technical research, is $11.20. So let me just get that out there for the critics, okay? But an alternative level, just in case, it wants to bounce before it eventually, if it's going to reach the $11.20 level, would be this other white line, the alternative line that I put here at about $12.62, okay? So again, for the critics, I only have one level that I'm paying attention to. $11.20 is my level. I hope that I'm wrong about that for those of you who bought in at the higher levels up there. But that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I mean, I don't really have a solid direction other than the price may continue down. But again, if there's bounces along the way, again, guys, excuse me, that would be considered to me as just a bearish bounce and a bullish bounce, a bullish counter move, and a potential bearish trend that has potentially just started. I don't like the way it's set up, guys. I truly don't like the setup here. So if the price gets above $20, that would be a real surprise to me. I'll say that first and foremost. But I guess to give those who have invested in this one snippet of information that will probably just let them know that it's okay to hold. I mean, this is the financial advice, of course. The way that I can understand candlesticks and the structure and everything, I do eventually see the price reaching $20 again, possibly even higher. I just can't give you a date or a time in which how long it would take to reach those levels again. But I mean, if you have strong hands and you truly believe in the company, you see value in the stock, you should be okay. But I do think it may be a while before you get to experience those that $20 level again. And that's pretty much it, guys. We'll close it out here. So that's my opinion. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And let us know down in the comment section if you guys have any fundamental data to say, dude, you're crazy. This thing is going to $70 next week. Let me know that down in the comment section, guys. I'm always open for constructive criticism only. Constructive, please, okay? I hope that I'm wrong about this, but those are the levels that I've able to identify from a technical standpoint. Hopefully you guys can appreciate that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. Again, guys, leave a comment. We appreciate you. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Before you go, guys, we also go over the alternative markets. Bitcoin has been on fire lately. We cover that also along with altcoins. You don't want to miss that, guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell before you leave so you don't miss out on that content. And that's pretty much it. We covered everything. Yes, good. Out we go, guys. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for your time, guys. I really appreciate your time. Okay. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon. And bye for now.